Hello students, this is where we left off. It is also state law, which is why I didn't want to rush through it. So, emergency birth control methods are required by state law to be taught in the Human Sexuality Unit, and these are for when someone has sex but has not planned ahead. So students, what I wish for you is for you to make healthy and responsible choices ahead of time and to say, I don't want to become pregnant or to cause a pregnancy. And if you don't do that and end up having the kind of sex that keeps us on the planet, emergency birth control methods are available over the counter at any age. So the one on the left, emergency contraceptive pills, available at most drugstores, grocery stores, or pharmacies without a prescription. You can walk into a store, purchase this. Within 5 days of having unprotected sex, the sooner the better. You take the pill, and what happens is the lining of the uterus, again, becomes inhospitable to sperm or egg. And the other thing that is possible, if it's available, to go to a doctor or a family planning clinic and have a copper IUD, which is pictured on the bottom of the screen at the right, inserted. And again, as soon as possible, within 5 days, and the copper in that IUD will also make the lining of the uterus inhospitable should the sperm have met the egg and try to implant. Now, that copper IUD can be left in for a good long time, so the advantage of that is if you don't want to become pregnant, then you have a long-acting but reversible form of birth control in place. Please, students, plan ahead, but know that there are emergency birth control methods available. All right, the last slide is a couple of resources that I want you to be aware of. Beforeplay.org is a website run by the state of Colorado, has good information on it about sex and sexual activity. And then, oops, it's being covered here by my face. Our county has a Protect Yourself service. You can text Ask FP and your questions to 66746, and they will answer anonymously. The other thing that is available, I have on a little post-it note here, and I will put it on Google Classroom. It's ICYC, which stands for In Case You're Curious. This is a national thing, and you can text ICYC to 57890 and ask a confidential question as well. Know, though, that if your parents have an app that allows them to see your texts, it is not confidential. So it's important to know that if your parents are able to read your text messages, that this will not be a confidential service for you to use. Of course, you can always ask your health teacher if you have a question in the future. All right, thank you, students. Bye.